Honor has silently launched its new X series phone globally called Honor X6b, with magic capsule feature for notifications. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor X6b features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate, and up to 780 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 6 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Honor X6b sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5200 mAh battery with 35 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on Magic OS 8 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.59 by 75.33 by 8.39mm, and it weighs around 192 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. Unfortunately, the company haven't revealed the pricing details of this smartphone at the moment, and based on specs, we expect the phone to be priced around 120 euros, and it will be available for purchase in forest green, starry purple, ocean cyan, and midnight black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor X6b smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.